Beneath the waves of our oceans lies a world teeming with secrets, waiting to be discovered. Covering more than two-thirds of our planet, these depths are home to wonders beyond our wildest imagination. It's in this uncharted underwater realm that divers often stumble upon the most incredible finds. Imagine uncovering something so astonishing that without evidence it would be hard to believe it ever existed. In this video, we're diving into 8 of the most remarkable discoveries hidden beneath the sea. These are the tales of underwater mysteries and marvels that, until now, remained unseen and unspoken. Join us on this breathtaking journey beneath the waves. Number 1. The Silent Zone. Deep beneath the ocean's surface lies an enigmatic world known as the Hadal Zone, named after Hades, the Greek god of the underworld. Spanning depths from around 6,000 to 11,000 meters, this area, often called the Silent Zone, endures some of the most extreme conditions on our planet. Here, the pressure is colossal, reaching levels 1,000 times greater than at the ocean's surface. In this perpetually dark, near-freezing environment, life still prevails. Unique species like the Hadal snailfish and specialized amphipods thrive, having evolved remarkable adaptations to survive these inhospitable depths. Despite its seeming desolation, the Hadal Zone isn't isolated from human influence. Astonishingly, studies have found traces of radioactive carbon in its depths, eerie remnants of past nuclear tests. The challenges of exploring this deep-sea realm mean that much of it remains a mystery. The Hadal Zone represents one of the planet's least explored frontiers, hiding unknown species and ecological secrets. Its existence challenges our understanding and invites researchers to delve deeper into this world of perpetual darkness and immense pressure. This silent, shadowy realm stands as a compelling testament to the ocean's vast and enduring mysteries, holding secrets that we have only begun to uncover. Number 2. Salt Workshop. In 2004, deep within a secluded lagoon surrounded by mangroves, an excavation team from Louisiana State University made an astounding find, a remarkably well-preserved Mayan salt workshop. Hidden from the world, this site was a treasure trove of straw structures and age-old pottery. This discovery would have been hard to believe if not for the divers who brought it to light. The pottery unearthed here was particularly fascinating, showing uniformity in size, hinting at a standardized method of production. This evidence led researchers to believe that these vessels were used in a sophisticated process for extracting salt by boiling seawater. This practice wasn't just a survival tactic, but a cornerstone of the Mayan economy during the first millennium AD. Salt was more than just a seasoning. It was a currency, a precious commodity that fueled trade and transactions. The Mayans' mastery in salt production wasn't just a skill, it was a calculated economic strategy that underscored their prominence in the ancient world. This archaeological find sheds light on the innovative ways ancient societies not only survived, but thrived. It paints a vivid picture of their daily life and economic ingenuity, offering us a rare peek into a world long gone. Number 3. The Black Pharaohs. In the heart of Sudan's ancient landscapes, a team of intrepid archaeologists made a breakthrough that challenges the often overlooked history of the 25th dynasty's Nubian pharaohs. Amidst the rural surroundings of Nuri, they unearthed a staircase believed to lead to the final resting place of Nubian king Nastasen. Their journey into history, however, took an unexpected turn when they found the tomb completely engulfed by water, presenting a scenario so surreal it had to be seen to be believed. Underwater archaeologist Pierce Paul Kitzman and his team bravely ventured into this submerged realm. They navigated through watery corridors, revealing a burial chamber with 3 rooms, each graced with arched ceilings that whispered tales of ancient glory. Surprisingly, the team found the chamber housing only golden statues, a silent testament to the grandeur of a forgotten era. While navigating the tomb's aquatic barriers was a complex task, the significance of this discovery cannot be overstated. It stands as concrete proof of the Nubian pharaoh's existence, bringing to light a vital yet often ignored chapter of Egyptian history. This underwater exploration not only uncovers the secrets of the past, but also rewrites the narrative, acknowledging the powerful reign of these enigmatic rulers. Number 4. The Bermuda Triangle. Beneath the Atlantic's waves lies the Bermuda Triangle, an area wrapped in enigmas and tales of vanished vessels and planes. Beyond the surface fascination, the ocean depths here present an equally compelling mystery. This vast area, known for its deep underwater plains, steep drop-offs, and submerged mountain ranges, teems with unsolved riddles and potential discoveries. One of the most intriguing aspects of this underwater labyrinth is the presence of methane hydrates, icy gas deposits hidden in the seabed. There's a theory, both fascinating and unconfirmed, that these hydrates could release massive gas bubbles strong enough to engulf and sink ships. While this hypothesis adds an interesting twist to the triangle's lore, it remains an unproven piece of the puzzle. Adding to the mystery is the Puerto Rico Trench, the Atlantic Ocean's deepest point, nestled within the triangle's bounds. Its profound depths, largely uncharted, are a hotbed for scientific research, holding secrets yet to be unveiled. Imagine the revelations waiting in this deep-sea abyss, so surreal they might be hard to believe without first-hand evidence. The Bermuda Triangle, with its profound depths and hidden enigmas, continues to baffle and intrigue. Each unanswered question adds another layer to the legend, making it a perpetual source of fascination and mystery. Now it's time for today's Subscriber's Pick. Check out this astonishing sight, a bizarre entity that seems like it leapt straight from the pages of a sci-fi novel. Is it a human in a frog's guise, or a frog donning an oddly human-like mask? Captured by a diver's lens, this spectacle defies belief. The striking blend of a human-like visage paired with amphibian features has us all in a whirl of wonder. Does this enigma belong to the land's mysteries, or does it lurk in the uncharted depths of our oceans? We're calling on all adventurers and thinkers. What's your take on this aquatic riddle? Dive into the discussion with your wildest guesses, imaginative stories, and perhaps together, we'll peel back the layers of this enthralling puzzle. Join us in the comments below, where the quest for answers continues. Number 5. Animals chained up. In 2019, a diving expedition off the coast of Kioka, Indonesia, turned from a dream into a distressing reality. This region, famed for its pristine waters and vibrant marine life, revealed a shocking secret hidden beneath its waves. The divers came across 2 dugongs, a mother and her calf, trapped in underwater cages. The sight was heartbreaking. The mother dugong was chained by the tail, unable to move. Dugongs, closely related to manatees, are teetering on the edge of extinction. Without the divers' discovery, this alarming situation might have remained unseen. They soon learned that a local fisherman had caged these gentle creatures, using them as a tourist attraction to earn money. Initially, the fisherman promised to release the dugongs, but doubts about his intentions quickly surfaced. The divers took action, documenting and sharing the grim reality online, sparking a wave of support. Their efforts paid off the next day when wildlife authorities stepped in. Contrary to the fisherman's claims, the dugongs were still captive. Under pressure, the fisherman finally freed them. This incident sheds light on the dark side of wildlife exploitation and the urgent need to protect these vulnerable species. Thanks to the divers' intervention and the subsequent rescue operation, the mother and calf were released, offering a glimmer of hope for the future of their species. Number 6. The colossal squid. Deep in the shadowy waters of the Southern Ocean lurks a creature of mythic proportions. The colossal squid, this massive marine marvel, stretching up to an astonishing 46 feet and weighing as much as half a ton, reigns as the largest invertebrate on our planet. Yet for all its grandeur, this giant remains an enigma, with only a few specimens ever captured and studied. Imagine the awe if a diver managed to capture this on camera. It's almost too incredible to believe. The colossal squid is not just notable for its size, but also for its extraordinary features. It boasts the largest eyes known in the animal kingdom, adding to its almost otherworldly aura. Its limbs are a formidable array of weaponry, equipped with sharp, swiveling hooks, perfect for ensnaring its prey. But what truly captivates scientists are the mysteries that envelop its existence. Details about its breeding habits, lifespan, and interactions with other marine species remain largely unknown. There's ongoing debate about its nature. Is it an aggressive hunter, or does it prefer to ambush its prey? The answers are as elusive as the squid itself. The inhospitable depths of the Southern Ocean, where this creature calls home, pose a significant challenge to researchers. The colossal squid's preference for these remote, deep-sea environments makes it a particularly elusive subject for study. It symbolizes the vast unknown of our oceans, a majestic creature of the deep that continues to elude our understanding, reminding us of the many mysteries that our oceans still hold. Number 7. The giant pyrosome. Deep beneath the ocean's surface, a world of wonder and mystery unfolds, home to the extraordinary pyrosomes. These unique gelatinous beings are not single organisms, but fascinating colonies formed by thousands of minuscule creatures known as zooids. Each zooid, only millimeters in size, works in unison to create a shared tubular structure. This living tube acts as a filter, drawing in ocean water to nourish the colony with microscopic plants. The surface of a pyrosome colony, textured with tiny bumps, showcases the individual zooids that make up this remarkable entity. Captured by divers, these creatures present a sight so surreal it's hard to believe without seeing. Reminiscent of characters from a fantastical underwater tale, pyrosomes drift through the ocean, carried by currents, tides, and waves. But what truly sets them apart is their stunning bioluminescence. Emitting a brilliant blue glow, pyrosomes can light up the ocean for meters around, creating an ethereal spectacle akin to a starry night sky. While the ocean's depths hold tales of sunken ships like the Titanic, its upper layers reveal the glowing beauty of pyrosomes. Their alien-like appearance and graceful movements are a glowing testament to the ocean's endless marvels, inviting us to delve deeper into the captivating world of marine biology. Number 8. Russian Empire submarines. After 2 decades of tireless searching, the Ocean X team, in partnership with iExplorer, has achieved an extraordinary milestone. They recently unveiled the Deep Sea Worker, a vessel tailor-made for undersea salvage missions, which is now docked in Sweden with a remarkable find. If it weren't for the divers' proof, this story might be hard to believe. This vessel's inaugural mission brought to the surface a cache of cognac and liquor estimated to be over 100 years old, thought to be destined for the last Tsar of Russia, Nicholas II. Engineered to retrieve these submerged treasures from the depths between Sweden and Finland, the Deep Sea Worker's mission has unearthed more than just rare spirits. This discovery resonates with historical significance. Among the haul was a brand belonging to Benedictine, a company whose origins trace back half a millennium to French monks. The uncovering of these bottles adds a rich layer to Benedictine's storied past. These spirits, aged for centuries, are not just potent but embody a captivating slice of Imperial Russian history. This blend of antiquity and the art of distillation presents an intriguing and unprecedented chapter in the realm of fine spirits.